Hello, welcome to the sketching object within OnShape. To start, click on the sketch on the top left of the screen. Then adjust the view cube on the top right of your screen to the front view. After that, click on the line on the top left of the screen to drag a line to the corner to make a triangle. You can make a square if you use the button right next to this line. You may also make a circle if you use the button right next to the square. After you completed that, press the check mark on the top left by this sketch. To finish, use the view cube to get out of your front perspective into a 3D view.